Bay windows are a beautiful addition to any home, offering both aesthetic appeal and functional benefits. In Sugarland, where homeowners are often seeking ways to elevate the style and comfort of their properties, bay windows are a popular choice. However, installing bay windows can be a complex project that requires careful attention to detail. Whether you are upgrading your current windows or building new ones, it's essential to avoid some common mistakes that can compromise the look, efficiency, and safety of your installation. Here are the key mistakes to avoid when installing bay windows in Sugarland. Neglecting proper measurements. One of the most common and costly mistakes when installing bay windows is failing to take precise measurements. Bay windows extend out from the wall, which means that the dimensions need to be spot on. Incorrect measurements can lead to windows that don't fit properly, causing issues with both aesthetics and energy efficiency. It's essential to measure the window opening at multiple points and account for any irregularities in the walls. If you are unsure of how to take accurate measurements, hiring a professional installer is highly recommended to ensure a perfect fit. Choosing the wrong style for your home. Bay windows come in a variety of styles, such as traditional, modern, or more custom designs. A mistake that homeowners often make is choosing a style that doesn't align with their home's architectural design. Sugarland homes range from classic to contemporary, and selecting a bay window style that complements your home's aesthetic is crucial. For instance, a modern, sleek bay window might not suit the traditional brick design of some Sugarland homes, while a more ornate design could feel out of place in a contemporary-style house. Work with an experienced window contractor who can help you select the best style and materials for your home. Overlooking proper ventilation. Bay windows offer an excellent way to let in natural light and create a cozy nook. However, some homeowners forget that proper ventilation is equally important for both comfort and the health of the home. Failing to ensure that your bay windows are adequately ventilated can lead to a buildup of moisture, which can cause mold, mildew, and wood rot. Consider windows that open for better airflow, or ensure that your installation allows for ventilation in the form of strategically placed vents. This is particularly important in humid climates like Sugarland, where excessive moisture can be a problem. Ignoring energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the primary reasons homeowners opt for bay windows, as they can provide better insulation and reduce heating and cooling costs. However, many homeowners make the mistake of overlooking the energy efficiency ratings of the windows they choose. When installing bay windows, always opt for windows that are energy efficient, such as double-glazed or low-emissivity glass. Not only will this improve comfort, but it will also lower your utility bills and make your home more eco-friendly. In a climate like Sugarland's, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, energy-efficient windows are especially important. Improper structural support. Bay windows protrude from the wall, which means they require proper structural support. Installing a bay window without reinforcing the structure of the wall is a mistake that can result in the window becoming unstable over time. This could lead to expensive repairs and even potential safety risks. Professional window installers in Sugarland will assess the structural integrity of your home before installation to ensure that the window is adequately supported. Depending on the size and weight of the bay window, additional support might be required, such as a header beam or other structural reinforcements. Skimping on professional installation. While DIY projects are popular, installing bay windows is not the type of job that should be tackled without professional help. Improper installation can result in a variety of issues, from drafts and leaks to structural problems. Hiring an experienced contractor ensures that your windows are properly sealed, insulated, and secured in place. They also have the expertise to handle the complexities of bay window installation, including framing and finishing work. In Sugarland, working with a local professional who understands the unique building codes and weather considerations will guarantee that your bay windows are installed to the highest standards. Neglecting to plan for maintenance. Bay windows require periodic maintenance to keep them looking great and functioning properly. One mistake homeowners make is not planning for future maintenance needs when installing bay windows. Be sure to choose windows with durable materials that are easy to clean and maintain. Additionally, ensure that your bay window installation allows for easy access to clean both the interior and exterior. Regularly checking for water damage, cleaning the window sills, and inspecting the seals will help prolong the life of your bay windows and keep them in top condition. Conclusion. Installing bay windows in Sugarland can transform your home, offering increased natural light, better views, and enhanced curb appeal. However, it's important to avoid these common mistakes to ensure that your installation is successful. From taking accurate measurements to choosing the right style, paying attention to energy efficiency, and hiring a professional installer, these steps will help you achieve the best results. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can enjoy your beautiful new bay windows for years to come.